In this video, we like to check one percentage trick that can help you calculate percentages very fast. Now, we just need to know, first of all, the meaning of percent. Now, percent, the word cent is usually a Latin word, which means 100, and per means for each. So when we say percent, that is for each 100. Okay. Now, in this question, 7% of 400, what does it mean? It means that for every 100, we've got 7. Now, 400 has 4, so this one has 4 hundreds, 4 hundreds, okay? And each 100, we have got 7. So, the first 100, 7, the second 100, 7, the third 100, 7, the fourth 100, 7, okay? So, we have got how many 7s here? 4 of them. So this is the same as 7 times 4, which is 28. The same applies to this one. Now, we have 600s, and every 100 we have 3. So 3% means for every 100 we have 3. So for faster calculations, always you multiply this number and this number. So it is just 3 times 6, which is 18. 9% again, here we have 500s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each of them we have got 9. 9% means for every 100 we have 9. 9, 9, 9. So these are 5 nines, which means 9 times 5, that gives you 45. So I want you to try what is 8% of 700. 8% of 700. Let me know in the comment section. Just count how many hundreds you have. That tells you how many times to take the percent. Simple, fast, no calculator needed. Follow for more trick like this.